Today we're going to show you how to make this reversible origami bag. Welcome back to the Sailrite workbench. This is an origami bag. This stylish slouchy bag is a great beginner-friendly sewing project. And you only need a few tools and materials to make one. Normally this bag is made with only one fabric, but I've decided to make it with two to hide the raw edges and make it reversible. Whether you use it to go to the grocery store, library, or beach, this bag can be customized for any use. First, pick any two fabrics that go well together, and then we will cut them into 15-inch by 45-inch rectangles. If you want a smaller or larger version, we recommend that whatever height you want your bag to be, you multiply that by 3 for the width. We'll start by marking our fabric with our chalk pencil. Then we will cut it out using our rotary cutter. Once we finish this one, we will repeat the process with the other fabric. Lay both cut pieces of fabric facing each other and secure the perimeter using clips. When you go to sew, leave this 4-inch section unsewn. Now we're going to sew the perimeter of the rectangle and leave 4 inches unsewn. Remember to backstitch to lock your stitches in place throughout this project. After sewing, flip the rectangle right side out. While you do this, it's important to poke out the corners. Next, we are going to top stitch the entire perimeter of the bag. To make sure the unsewn portion stays together, you can clip it, but that is an optional step. Now that you have a completely sewn rectangle, we are going to lay it flat and start folding in the corners. Fold down the corner of one side of the rectangle and fold up the corner of the other side so that they are opposites. Take the left and right corners of the triangles and fold them towards the center, overlapping slightly. This folding technique is why we call it an origami bag. Now let's secure the folded corners with the clips. We'll also go ahead and repeat this step on the other side. After securing the corners, sew along the overlapped edges. Now, back at the table, I'll turn the bag inside out. You can either stop here and tie your bag, or you can follow along and I'll show you 2 different ways to make a handle. To start with this bag's handle, cut a 10-inch by 6-inch rectangle and fold the fabric in half lengthwise. Clip the folded rectangle together and sew along the side. Once that is sewn, flip the rectangle inside out. Next, fold in the bottom edges of the sewn rectangle inside itself about 1 inch. Take the origami bag and insert it in the handle using the clips to secure it. Repeat this step on the other side. Then take it to the sewing machine and sew both sides of the handle to the bag. Repeat this step on the other side. An alternative way to make a strap is to create 2 long strips of fabric and tie the ends into a bow like this one right here. Finally, you're ready to take your origami bag to the beach, grocery store, library, or anywhere. And because it's reversible, it's just that much more versatile. Follow us and tag us on social if you decide to make one yourself. All tools and materials are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.